Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Bianca. I make health, fitness, lifestyle, those type of videos, but today I recently got extensions and I wanted to kind of show you guys the process in an individual video. I did vlog the whole week that I did get them. I just wanted to make this specific video for you guys in case you just want to know the fast details. Regular hair before I got them done, you guys will see it was a little bit past my chest area, and then I got 22-inch extensions. So I got them done at Tribe Salon in Charlotte, North Carolina. The girl who did it, her name was Madison Hayes. She's a literal queen. She just killed. She's just so good. I'm so happy with them. Here's just kind of like an up close view. The brand of my extensions are called Boheme, I'm pretty sure. I could be totally butchering that name, so I'm gonna give you guys the spelling just in case, but it's B-O-H-Y-M-E. It's those extensions. Again, I got 22 inches in length. The extensions that I got, I'm very sorry, I don't know the exact color, but I know that they were two-dimensional, so they had some blonde and a little bit of brown in them. So yeah, here was just kind of like the final product, but I did record, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump to those clips so you guys can see those. So here we go. Okay guys, so I'm currently on my way to the hair salon. It's totally raining outside, so we're gonna kind of do the like before look of my hair in the car, but here's what it looks like from the front. You see how nice and thin it is? It's beautiful. And can they see it well?
I think so.
Okay, that's the back. Alright, so now I've had them for almost a week. It's Monday and I got them put in last Wednesday. So it's almost been a week. I have washed my hair already and blow dried my hair. So I kind of just wanted to give you guys the down low of how I feel so far. Comment down below if you wanted me to do a video on the products that I use and how I style my extensions and then curl them and everything. Leave that down below. I'll be sure to include that in a vlog that I do coming up. Just because it's easier to put it in a vlog. But the first couple days that I slept in them, it was just a little tight and a little uncomfortable. The way that Madison, who did my hair, told me to fix that was to just put a blanket down on my pillow, and it's like magic. It takes the pain away. It doesn't even feel like you're sleeping on them. I don't know how, but I do just have one pack in, by the way, so it's just 2 rows of wefts, and that's all. And also working out, you guys know I love to work out, I love to lift, I love going to Orange Theory. I did not find it any different than working out with my own natural hair while I was there. It wasn't uncomfortable, it wasn't in the way, so I thought that was all normal, which was really good because I was kind of nervous about that. So yeah, I'm very happy with them though. I feel like they look really natural and they were everything that I wanted them to be, so I'm very excited about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of the extension process going down. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe, stick around. I'm leaving for Cabo San Lucas in 2 days and I have so much fun content coming for you guys, so be sure to stick around so you don't miss it, and I will see you guys in my next video.